Welcome, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add local files to Spotify. Or if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, go ahead and go to the top right, tap on your profile or profile name or profile picture, okay? And then after that, go ahead and tap on settings and privacy. Now in here, we're going to find apps and devices right here. So just go ahead and tap on it. Now you gotta wanna make sure, scroll all the way down, you'll find a local device visibility and local audio files. Okay, so just make sure that you switch local audio files to enabled. All right, and then after that, when you go ahead over to your library, right here at the very bottom, local files will now be available. If you do have music under your local files, okay, your stored music will be available in here or listed in here. You could also add audio from here. You can tap on allow, and here you have it. All right, that's how simple it is to add local files to Spotify. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.